I've generated over 7 figures in revenue just by using Google Shopping ads, so let me give you a breakdown of the strategy that we use to achieve these numbers. Now first of all, let's talk about how I actually found this product. It was simply by using the Amazon bestsellers list. And if you don't know what this is, it's a list that's constantly refreshed every single hour that shows you the top 100 selling items in any given niche on Amazon. So let's just say I wanted to sell a product in the home and kitchen niche. I can type in Amazon bestsellers, home and kitchen, and then I can see the top selling products in this niche in the UK market. And I can also do the same exact thing for the US market on Amazon.com, and you can see there's a completely different list of products that actually appear. So anyway, as I was going through these lists on one of the marketplaces, Amazon Germany, Amazon Canada, etc., I won't tell you which one, I managed to find a product that was getting 250 sales a day on Amazon. And by the way, if you don't know how many sales something is getting on Amazon, just look for this number, it's called a BSR rank. And then use the Jungle Scout sales estimator tool to show you how many sales the Amazon listing is getting. So anyway, I saw that this listing was getting 250 orders a day on Amazon, and I did some research online and I found out there was no dropship stores actually selling it in that particular market. So then I put together a niche store selling this product and only targeting the one country that had no competition in it. We launched both Google Shopping ads for it as well as Facebook ads for it, but the Facebook ads weren't really picking up. But the Google Shopping ads, however, after a couple of days, they started building up some momentum and they were producing really good results. And you can see for the most part, we maintained a ROAS above 4, which is pretty decent. And when I saw that the product was starting to take off and build up some momentum, I tried to scale it in other countries as well because it was working in one particular market. However, whenever we tried to launch shopping campaigns in those other markets, it just wasn't working because the competition in those other markets were really high and our CPCs and CPAs were also unsustainably high to be profitable as well. Now we did try to test a few different things for this product using Google Ads. For example, we switched between target ROAS and target CPA bidding strategies, and target ROAS always performed the best for us. We also tried to use display retargeting ads, however for some reason they just didn't work for us. There was one really interesting test that we did do. We used this A/B split testing app to actually raise the product price by $5. Essentially what this app would do is it would switch between variants every 24 hours and it would show us which variant was performing the best. And very interestingly, our average revenue per user stayed the same, so we actually improved our profitability by about 10% just by raising our product prices. The only downside was I only ran this test after we had generated a couple $100,000 in sales, so I basically missed out on a ton of extra profit because I hadn't run this test earlier. Now one really big difference between Google Shopping ads and Facebook ads or TikTok ads is that I'm very hands-off with it. In fact, the less I touch it, the better that it works. I've noticed that as soon as I touch these shopping campaigns, it usually takes 1 week just for them to get to a consistent level again. Until then, it will just be all over the place in terms of performance until it gets consistent. So I rather not touch anything if it's working because I don't want to break it. Basically, all of that ad spend was hands off with no edits, but I was always watching. And if you want to see more ecom videos just like this, then make sure you are following my account and like this video.